Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gutenberg WordPress editor. We will begin by understanding its fundamental concept. Everything is a block. This innovative approach transforms content creation, offering unparalleled flexibility and control over your page layouts. You can easily drag and drop elements, making design accessible to everyone. This guide will help you harness its full potential, ensuring your content looks professional and engaging. The core of Gutenberg is its block system. To add a new block, simply click the plus icon or type a / to quickly search for block types. You will find blocks for nearly every content need, from simple text to complex media. Each block has its own settings, allowing for precise customization. You can easily move blocks around your page, giving you complete control over your content's flow and appearance. Beyond basic blocks, Gutenberg offers powerful features to streamline your workflow. Reusable blocks save you time by allowing you to save and insert entire sections of content with a single click. Block patterns provide professionally designed layouts, giving your pages a polished look instantly. Additionally, the Document Settings panel on the right allows you to manage important post attributes, ensuring your content is well organized and optimized. To maximize your efficiency, embrace Gutenberg's helpful features. Learning a few key keyboard shortcuts can dramatically reduce your editing time. The list view provides a clear outline of your page structure, making it simple to manage complex layouts. Always preview your work to ensure it looks perfect before publishing. These small adjustments will make your content creation process smoother and more enjoyable, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.